Hello everyone, welcome to the Haripriya lectures. In this video, we'll continue with the widgets and how it will be built up and how it will be working on the different widgets through in the coding side in a Flutter basics. Okay, in first one is the will creating the one particular and stateless and stateful widgets through in the I will creating on the stateful and stateless widgets. We have to working on these three widgets over in my applications. Okay, now how it will be aligning in my image or a text in my screen. Okay, that is the coding over here. The first one is the center is the now allowing in our widgets through in my child widgets within the screen. Okay, the next one is the aligning. We have to properties over the text align property. We will working on the aligning side. We have to child, it will be based on in your size of the child widgets. Okay, here I'll giving the coding, basic coding. The center is the class name and child is I'll giving the container. Okay, the child is the second part of my screen. Okay, and next what is the height I want, what are the width I want, what is the color I will prefer over in my screen. Child, it will be working on the alignment over in my text through in my top of the left or top of the right. What are the logos I want, I will giving on the Flutter logo over here in the size of 50. Okay, you have to go on practice in this coding through a dart lab in a open source coding. We have to working over there. Okay, in coming up series we will working on the practical side through in my Flutter applications. Okay, and next one is the sized box is the specified size. It will be working on your child widgets all the screens. Here let's sized box is the class name. We have what are the height I want, what are the width I want, what are the child. We have to construct in a constant. Okay, const is a constant. It's a card I will working on the hello Java point. I'll going over here. Okay, and next one is aspect radio is a one of the container to working on in a child widgets through in your keep each and every widgets. What are the place we will working on my container. Okay, and the aspect radio will be I will giving the 5:3 and child we will always coming the container. And next one is we will applied on the color also. We will giving on the alignment, we will giving on the height, width, and all those things I will giving on the inside on my child widgets. Okay, the next one is the baseline of in my screen is the widgets shift to the child widgets in a recording through the child baseline. Okay, but how to build in my baseline in my child means child colon in a baseline over there. Okay, the next one is the custom single child layout. That this is the one of the child to delegate decides to the position of my widgets and where it will be placed in my screen. Okay, it will be also called in the parents widget. It will be working on the where apps and where the widgets will be placed. It will be using on the scaffold also. The scaffold also will be working on the where I will paste in my widgets in my screen, mobile screen also. Okay, here I'll giving the some parents widgets two in a child, and the first one the flutter box, and second one is the fragrancy sized box, and next one is the infrared width, and next one is the limited box and offset box. These are the things we will working over there. And here I'll giving the some example. See, this is the material app. Okay, this is a material thing. And next one is the void main. Always we will working on the void main. Here I will start with the stateless. Okay, stateless widgets I will creating over here. And next one is the we have to build the functions of the return material app. I'll giving the title over the single layout widgets. It will be shown above the app bar. And next one is the this is the theme of your new applications. Okay, that bar you will creating on the one theme, and theme colon theme data is primary switch in colors dot blue. Okay, in my app bar is color maybe will be of the blue. Okay, if I'm changing on the green or a blue means green or a pink means it will be changing over my app bar. Okay, the next one is creating on the home page, and next we have to creating on the one uh, class name of over my the by my home page extending through the stateless widgets. Okay, we have to override on the scaffold app we are giving the text, in text before text is called in the overflow box widgets, that is in my app bar text. Okay, this is called the app bar text. Okay, app bar text will be shown up on in your screen. Okay, here everyone see it. This is in your text, this is the title of in your screen. Okay, these are the widgets we will working on over the body, child, height, width, color, and with child. I will creating one container. This is one of the container. I'll creating the container over here. Container size is height, width, and color I will giving over here. So this is a container I will create. Each and every boxes will be called in the container. Okay, so you have to working on this coding in a dot lab. Just practice it. The next one is the multiple child widgets. Okay, multiple child widgets means you have to one by one container will be along within your screen. Okay, the container more than one child widgets and label these widgets are a unit. Okay, one by one widgets. Okay, if I am clearing on my app, okay, one by one it will be pasted on in your back to back widgets. Okay, and the first in a row, column, list view, and grid view, and expanded table, flow, stack. This is the most multiple widgets we will using on in a that programming languages. You will see on the coding. This is if you practice on the coding only, you have to that will be more interesting over here. Here I'm giving the some layouts over here. This is the multiple child widgets, one by one widgets over here. I will giving the class name stateless widgets I will creating over here. I will giving the container, two container I will giving over here. So first container name is a color is a white, and second container is a blue, and third container is a pink, and fourth container is a yellow. Here you have to see on the images, and background color is a white, is always a white, and next color will be built on the blue color, and next color I will building on the pink color, and next I will putting on the yellow color. Okay, I will giving the separate size and width in my container in my stateless widgets. Okay, you have to practice in the dat lab. Okay, thank you guys. We will on the continue with the next series through the widgets applications. Thank you.